Hey yo, what's good guys? This is your boy Buddha. I'm back again on another video. Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to install FL Studio 12. FL Studio 12. Mm, yeah, yeah. Today I'm teaching you guys how to install FL Studio 12. Okay guys, before we start the video, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Share this video with your friend so that they can get helpful, or they can get helped also. Okay, let's get this video started. What you're going to do, you're going to go to your download folders where you downloaded where your downloads are being saved in. Okay, I'm just going to delete these. After downloading, you're going to see these. Just to see these 5 folders. Going to see these 5 folders. No, not this one. Oh, come on. Okay, going to see these four folders. Okay, what we're going to do, firstly, have to extract this one. You also have to have WinRAR, the application I'm using to extract these things here, the folders. You have to have WinRAR. I'm going to make a video about the WinRAR, what does it does and how can you get it on another video, but not in this video. So in this video we are here about FL Studio. You extract. Okay, it's done extracting. You will see an application here written FL Studio 12 Vision 1 FL Studio 12. Here it is. It have a logo. Okay, what you have to do now is to double tap on the FL Studio application. Okay, loading. Okay, the setup is loading or unpacking data. You wait for it. Just wait for it. It's unpacking, guys. You can see it is unpacking. Okay, when it's done, wait. You're going to see this. Do you want to allow this app from your unknown puppies to make changes to your device? What you need to do is just to say yes. You know, you're doing loading or unpicking data again. Just have to wait for it to be done. Okay, after it has done unpacking data, you're just going to see this. Welcome to the FL Studio 12 setup. What you need to do is just to say next. Okay, wait for it here. You can read what you wanna read here, but I don't think I have to read. Continue pressing I agree. Current user, you can choose all user, current user. Okay, I'll only choose all user. Then I say next. Yeah, you can choose where you want to install. Maybe you don't want it in your program files, you want it to on another folder, you can choose. I'll just say next. Where you're going to install your VST plugins, just say next or next. Okay, now you just have to install the application. You wait for it to finish here until here, from here to here. I don't think it is taking much time. Just to wait. You know what I mean? Okay. It's about to finish. It's going right. Just have to wait, guys. Wait for it. Just wait. Okay. It's like we are done. We're done. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Let's wait. Nearly there. Okay. Oh, we're there. Yes, done. Okay, next. Yeah, you can get the FL Studio controller remote. Yeah, FL Studio remote, then you can get FL Studio mobile. You can use your FL Studio on mobile. Yep. Next. Finished. For us to go and check where it is working or what. Okay, guys, let's check whether it is working or what. Okay. Oh. My mouse. Okay. Scroll down. Okay, guys, yeah. Oh, come on. There is the folder which is written image line. Here you can choose that I want 64 bits or 12. Let me go with the first one. Okay, I think it is working. Yo. Yeah, guys, I think it is working. It's working fine. Okay, guys, if you want FL Studio tutorials or any video tutorial, you will get it here. Like, peace out.